Hi Clever Pickles, I've come outside for today's activity. It's called How Many, and I've brought out a whiteboard marker and a rubber and a whiteboard to write on, but you could do this on paper with pencils if you've got a clipboard. I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I've written, and then I'm going to show you how we're doing this outside. Okay, so I've put a bit of a title up here, and then I've split it into 4 columns, and I've got 1, 2, 3, and then my last one says 4 or more. And what we're going to do is not use this ant that's crawling on my board. We're going to look around the space that I'm in, and we're going to look for things that fit into that category. So for example, let's look over here. I'm just going to try and zoom in a little bit. This is our play equipment. So I'm going to write that there is 1 set of play equipment. So I'm just going to take my lid off here. I'm just going to write down play equipment. There's 1 of those. Now I'm going to look around. I can see some garbage bins out here. I can see, oh, there's 1, oh, that's my finger, 1 there, and there's 1 over there. I can't see any others around, so there's 2. So I could put bins into the 2 category here because there's 2 of them. I want to see, oh, I can also see 2 netball posts, netball hoops. They're portable ones, so I'm going to put that in here as well. Netball posts. I really want to find something with 3. What could I find with 3? Do you know what? I'm going to get distracted though because I can see 1 shed. Now we store some furniture in that shed when we're not using it. So I'm just going to put 1 shed. What can I see 3 of? Oh, there's 1 bird. There's 2 birds. Can I find a 3rd bird and count that? Yes, I can. There's 1 over there. Where is he? Can you see him? Right, there he is. This one's eating rubbish. Dirty bird. Ugh, don't come to me. Nope, go away, go away, go away. Okay, 3. I can see 3 birds. Hee hee, that counts. Now, what can I see 4 or more of? That should be easy. Look around. What is there more than 4 of? There is definitely 4 or more trees that I can see around me. Now, I know for a fact there's 1, 2, and there's 3, and you guys might not be able to see it, but behind the trees over there, right there in the background, is another picnic table. So I can put 4 or more picnic tables. Now I've got 2 in here, 2 in here, 2 in here, and only 1 thing in the 3. 3 seems to be hard to find. I'm looking around again. You know what, I might look around the other way. What else can I see 3 of? We've got our preschool over here. I might be able to see something there. What can I see 3 of? Oh, do you know what? Okay, here we go. Let's look here. I've got 1 student chair and 2 more student chairs over there. I know they're not exactly the same, but I can just put 3 chairs and I'm going to classify them in the same category there. So the idea being is that you should be able to fill all of these sections up. Oh, sorry, that's losing focus. You should be able to fill all of these up with things that you can see around you, and you might want to go to, you know, a different section if you can't find them. So this is just the area behind my classroom. My classroom's just up here, so I can look around in this space that we were just in, or I might even go for a walk to the preschool and do it in the preschool and see what different things I could find. If you're interested in doing this at home, go into the kitchen, go into the lounge room, see what different things that you can classify into 1, 2, 3, 4 or more, or maybe you might want to do it differently, 10, 20, 30. Maybe you want to do it in singles, 10s, 100s, up to you. Find a good space to do it in. Ask your teacher for a cool place that you can go and do it. Maybe go look in the library or go look in the staff room if you've got permission from your principal to do it as well, and see what you can fill into those columns. Alright guys, have fun with that activity. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. We've only got a couple of weeks left of school here in Australia, so it's very exciting as we get ready for Christmas and the summer holidays. See you later guys.